Everywhere. Take a photo of the car there.
I am. This is Darwin's train station, car parking included. Only thing missing is the train. You want to bring them the train? Bring the train.
Okay, you're not taking a photo?
I'm going to take a photo of the train.
Okay.
Nice. 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 So the people are coming into the train station, they're parking, and then they go inside of the train, and then they're going to go to work, right?
Yes, and they go inside the car.
Okay.
When their car's not here, they go in the train.
Okay, got it. I got it.
When their car's not here, they gotta go to the train.
Yeah. So the train can take them to work, right?
Yeah. When their car's here, the car will drive them to work.
Exactly, exactly.